Earth is whispering warnings we ignore. Storms strike harder than ever before. Forests vanish faster than they grow. Oceans choke quietly beneath rising waste. Animals disappear without leaving farewell signs. Climate shifts faster than scientists predicted. Glaciers melt like forgotten childhood memories. Rivers shrink under relentless human pressure. Air carries toxins we barely notice. Soil loses strength with every careless action. Weather patterns twist in unpredictable ways. Heat waves scorch regions once comfortably cool. Floods drown homes built generations ago. Droughts silence lands previously flourishing with life. Coral reefs bleach into lifeless ghosts. Wildfires rage through millions of fragile acres. Species fight desperately for simple survival. Human activity accelerates Earth's silent suffering. Pollution spreads further with each passing day. Plastics linger centuries without breaking down. Toxic chemicals seep into drinking water. Ecosystems fracture under unsustainable human demands. Consumption grows faster than nature recovers. We treat Earth like an infinite resource. But Earth's patience is visibly running thin. Warning signs surround us at every corner. Yet many still pretend nothing is wrong. Nature's balance shakes under constant disruption. The planet pleads softly for mindful guardians. Humanity stands at a historic crossroads now. Our decisions today reshape tomorrow's entire world. Future generations depend on our responsibility. Protecting Earth is no longer optional. Conservation demands collective courage and commitment. Every small action influences global environmental health. Guardianship begins with awareness and accountability. People must rethink habits harming our planet. Sustainable choices grow powerful when shared widely. Communities thrive when nature receives proper respect. Hope rises when humans finally unite. Guardians emerge from ordinary individuals choosing change. Every voice matters in this urgent mission. Earth needs protectors more than ever. The time to act is now. Let guardians rise before Earth falls. Guardianship begins with understanding Earth's real needs. Nature depends on balanced cooperation for survival. Every ecosystem plays an essential interconnected role. When one collapses, others weaken dangerously fast. Protectors must learn these delicate connections. Knowledge empowers guardians to act wisely. Awareness transforms ordinary people into mindful stewards. Real guardians observe nature with deep respect. They notice small changes others often overlook. They act early before disasters grow uncontrollable. Guardians value long-term impact over short-term convenience. They recognize Earth's limits aren't imaginary concerns. Sustainable living becomes their everyday responsibility. They reduce waste with intentional choices. They support eco-friendly products and responsible companies. They conserve energy everywhere they possibly can. They protect forests by choosing sustainable materials. They reduce plastic use through mindful alternatives. Guardians speak boldly for endangered species. They defend habitats threatened by expanding industries. They plant trees whenever opportunities arise. They encourage communities to join conservation efforts. Guardians inspire others through consistent, positive action. Their passion spreads hope across generations. Guardians understand climate change impacts everyone. They accept responsibility without waiting for others. They support renewable energy solutions wholeheartedly. They push leaders towards stronger environmental policies. They vote for change benefiting future generations. Guardians make environmental protection a priority. They promote clean water access worldwide. They advocate for fair global climate agreements. They share knowledge freely to empower communities. They challenge harmful practices risking Earth's stability. Guardians help restore polluted natural landscapes. They clean beaches, rivers, and forests. They join teams dedicated to wildlife rescue. Their compassion strengthens weakened natural systems. Guardians celebrate even small environmental victories. Their hope fuels larger collective progress. They remain resilient despite overwhelming global challenges. True guardians never abandon Earth's struggle. Their commitment grows stronger every single day. The world transforms when guardians stand together. Earth survives because guardians choose action. Today's guardians face challenges unlike any before. Technology grows faster than environmental protections evolve. Industries expand while ecosystems quietly collapse. Guardians must adapt to these modern realities. Digital tools help track environmental changes accurately. Satellites reveal forests disappearing at alarming speed. Data exposes pollution hidden from public view. Technology empowers guardians with vital global insights. Social media amplifies urgent environmental messages. Communities unite faster through online activism. Young voices rise boldly across digital platforms. Their passion awakens global environmental awareness. Guardians also confront powerful corporate resistance. Many companies prioritize profit over planetary health. Greenwashing misleads people seeking genuine sustainability. Guardians must distinguish truth from deceptive marketing. They demand transparency through persistent public pressure. Their collective voice forces companies toward responsibility. Guardians champion ethical innovation for future solutions. They support research creating cleaner, sustainable technologies. They promote electric transportation alternatives for cities. They encourage energy efficiency in every household. Guardians push for reduced global carbon emissions. They challenge governments delaying essential climate action. Policy reform grows stronger with Guardian involvement. International agreements succeed through citizen pressure. Guardians advocate for stronger environmental justice laws. They fight for communities suffering environmental harm. They protect marginalized groups affected by pollution. Guardians make environmental rights universal priorities. They defend nature from destructive industrial expansion. They oppose mining threatening fragile ecosystems. They resist deforestation destroying indigenous homelands. Their courage inspires countless others to rise. Guardians also restore damaged environments through dedication. They rebuild soil using regenerative agricultural methods. They reintroduce species into recovering habitats. They transform barren lands into thriving ecosystems. Their work proves healing Earth is possible. Guardians show resilience through persistent daily effort. They understand progress requires patience and dedication. Every action strengthens Earth's chance for recovery. Tomorrow becomes brighter through Guardians' determination. Their efforts shape a more sustainable planet. Guardians continue preparing Earth for a safer future. The future depends entirely on Guardians rising now. Every person holds power to protect Earth. Small changes create massive global environmental impact. Guardians grow stronger when communities act together. Shared responsibility transforms fear into collective courage. Earth thrives when humanity chooses mindful action. Guardians inspire hope during Earth's darkest moments. They remind us nature still can heal. Healing begins when humans change harmful habits. Every sustainable step brings Earth renewed strength. Guardians encourage mindful consumption every single day. They teach conservation through personal daily choices. Their actions spark ripple effects across communities. Guardians promote cleaner lifestyles with inspiring examples. They prove sustainability is achievable for everyone. They protect nature for children's uncertain futures. They defend ecosystems with unwavering determination. Guardians stand firm despite overwhelming environmental challenges. They refuse to surrender Earth's remaining beauty. Their mission grows urgent with each passing year. Climate threats intensify without global unified action. Guardians push humanity toward long-term environmental responsibility. They challenge outdated habits harming our planet. They celebrate meaningful change wherever it appears. Guardians multiply when inspiration meets opportunity. Awareness spreads quickly through thoughtful environmental storytelling. More people join after witnessing real change. Guardians guide societies toward sustainable modern living. They encourage innovation supporting environmental protection worldwide. They believe Earth deserves committed lifelong defenders. Guardians understand the weight of this mission, yet they continue because Earth still matters. Their courage reshapes our relationship with nature. Guardians protect forests with powerful community involvement. They safeguard oceans through collective cleanup efforts. They work tirelessly to preserve global biodiversity. Guardians help humanity rediscover nature's true value. They know every creature plays important roles. Protecting nature ensures Earth's systems remain balanced. Guardians act before damage becomes irreversible. Their vigilance prevents countless environmental catastrophes. Earth endures when Guardians remain devoted protectors. Humanity thrives when Earth receives proper care. Guardianship is our shared responsibility forever. The world needs Guardians, starting with you.